I'm really happy with the overall look of my fun little sculpture here of a shark. I'm at a point where I want to start applying some materials. Now, the material engine inside of Blender is a little bit different than some of the other engines that we've seen, and I wanted just to kind of get you up and running, so at the very least you can start colorizing your polygons to make them look however it is that you want them to look. And I think once you get into it, you'll find that it's pretty straightforward. So first things first, let's go into my scene here. I'm just going to select my shark. I'm in object mode at the moment, and where we go to create, edit, and manage all of our materials is over here in our properties bar. Now, before we go any further, it's important to point out that if you start doing some research on how to apply materials inside of Blender, you're going to find some pretty advanced solutions, because Blender has an amazing, and I mean amazing, material library and a material setup system that's all node-based. We're not there yet. It's pretty advanced stuff. So, we're going to keep it simple. Just point being that if you go online, you may find more advanced stuff than what I'm about to show you. Okay, so it all begins over here inside of the Properties tab. And specifically, we're going to the second one from the bottom, the sphere with the kind of like checkerball sphere. That's the material characteristics properties inside of Blender. Now, at the moment, we don't have a material. There's nothing in here that's determining how the light is going to interact with the surface. So let's go ahead and create one. Again, I'm in object mode, and we're going right here to this little plus icon in the upper right-hand corner of this part of our material properties. Let's give it a slot. That's what it's called. It's called a material slot. So we've created a slot. Let's give it a name. This little bottom where it says new, if you click on that, that will allow you to go in and give it a good name. And now let's call this, shark body. There we go. And downstairs, let's give the base color, bright kind of red. Now, at the moment, you're probably wondering, Pat, why isn't the shark red? It should be very much red at the moment. Well, a couple things to point out. First and foremost, we have to go into our viewport properties. Right now, I'm in this shading type, which is basically going to allow us this viewport shading, which will allow us to do all of our matte caps and what have you. It's not going to preview the material itself. To do that, we need to go into this third object. When we click on it, voila, you can see that now we have that material applied to our object itself. If we go in, I can make a change to the color, and it changes almost instantly. So creating materials is a little bit different, because the first thing that we have to do is that we have to create a slot, and then we name that slot, let's call this red skin, why not? And on this one, I'll make it red, and we're up and running, okay? So how do we travel and transition between the two of them? That's a little bit more advanced, and we'll have to create some switches. We can also use certain components in here if we wanted to do it at the component level as well. At the component level, it's real kind of easy. Just go into edit mode. I'm going to go into faces. I'll just grab some faces here. And now at the component level, we have a new row of options that pops in here. Now, notice that I got the red one selected. And if I hit assign, it's automatically going to apply that tag to the selected, the material tag to the selected component. So the shark body, this is everything. This is at the object level. And then I've added some component level material tags by selecting them and then using this assign button. Make sure that you're going into your viewport shadings options and choosing this third option. This is going to do the material preview for you. And you can go in and you can start colorizing your objects to create whatever look that you're going for in the final render. Materials are a powerful, powerful addition to our workflow. We're going to be spending a lot of time talking about how we can create materials, use materials, and create textures that are going to go inside of those materials a little bit later on in the course.